When working with Microsoft PowerPoint, adding movement between slides can add visual interest and flow through a presentation. We can do this by adding a transition. A transition is the movement that happens when we move from one slide to the next one. Like in this case, a transition is when we go from here to here. That's called a transition. PowerPoint has a number of built-in transitions that we can choose from. To look for transitions, we click on View first, and then we go to the slide sorter. When we go to slide sorter, is gonna help us in picking different slides at the same time. Let's say, for example, in this presentation, I'm gonna pick only 3 slides. To do this, I click on this one, then make sure you press the Shift key, click on another one, then click on another one. Those are the 3 slides that I'm gonna use to show you the transitions on this presentation. Then, when we have the 3 slides ready, we go to the Transitions tab, and here we have different types of transitions like cut, fade, push, wipe. If we want to see the whole gallery, we push on the down arrow and we can see all the different transitions that we can choose from. For this presentation, I'm going to show you honeycomb. This is the effect that the honeycomb is going to do to every slide. Once we decide what kind of transition we want to use, we can decide also on the sound. For the sound, we go to the upper right side of the monitor, and then we choose, in this case I'm going to choose applause for this demonstration. So to see how it's going to look, I can check on preview. Preview is located on the upper left side. So I click on preview. And this is the effect that we are going to get for our presentation. Many speakers don't like to use sound, depending on the type of audience, and others decide to do it. I want to recommend not to use different types of transitions in one presentation. Let's say you can use 1 or 2. The reason being that these type of transitions take big amount of resources on the computer. Those resources are the memory or the RAM, so it's going to have an effect on the presentation. Also, I want to say that don't look at the type of transitions as a distraction. Look it as an aid for you to do a better presentation. My last point is to make sure that you test your presentation completely before you go to the place that you are going to do your presentation. Thank you.